What's up, guys? Today we're playing Airsoft at Globe Army Battlefield. I'm running pistols only, so let's do it.
We need people upstairs for sure. There, I'll tell you, just go in the building there, right, guys? This. We both run there. I'll go right. Cover me, cover me, cover me.
For this game mode, we have to prevent the other team from planting the bomb on the Humvee. The enemy team quickly took control of the second floor and they just wiped us.
Hey! Woo!
We fucking have it. Doesn't even bomb holder, everyone defends. We just throw it on the Humvee and fucking go.
Yeah. Yeah, we could do that.
Get a bomb holder.
It's your idea, you know? It's your idea.
That's a good idea.
And don't hold it like a suitcase. I'll hold it
Be behind two guys at all times. Okay?
So now we are the attacking team and playing half a field in an already small CQB field definitely makes it important to play smart and look for the right angles. Sadly, as you'll see, I'll play too aggressive and pay the price.
Hit! Hamza, hold these stairs. Make sure no one gets down from there, okay? But make sure you're not exposed on this side, eh? I mean, as long as he's alive, you're good. But if he dies, you gotta go up. Well, hit, eh?
Alright, guys, just make sure everyone's calling their hits, please. Alright, we have cameras here, we're watching, we have a guy with GoPro as well.
Yes, sir.
But we have the ref now checking cameras in here. Call your hits, alright? EC Super starting in church.
Yeah. I got him.
So this was a player who was accused of cheating by the other team. He was running from the attacking side, so I shot him thinking he was an enemy. And the fact that it took more than 5 clean hits for him to call it, it pretty much confirms the other team's suspicion. You know, it just sucks to have to deal with that kind of shit. But you know, it's part of the game.
Non.
Did you hit me?
Ouais.
J'ai rien senti, moi.
Moi, je pense que j'ai pas vu. J'ai pas vu.
Je suis dans ta team. Hit. J'étais bien placé, man. Yeah, all good in the building. Oh, it's not the entrance. Fuck, the entrance is the other. You hit? Hey, it's not lucky.
Anyways, guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. And let me know how you like the format and editing, as you know, it's my first video.